Stand by.
That's a weird jam.
Damn.
Okay.
Hold up, stop. So, plastic ball dropped out of that. So something got caught in there that was not ammunition or anything.
Okay.
Don't know what it was.
You want to clear the chamber real quick?
Yeah.
Plastic ball.
Yep. See that? I'm gonna
Yeah,
point
see
you
it right
over.
there.
See that
Oh,
right
yeah.
there? That bounced out.
What the heck?
What was it? I don't know.
Using
Do me a
this for
favor.
airsoft?
You want to? He's got. Hold on. Let me get the flag in there.
No, it's
Okay. Go run a bore snake through it. Make sure there's nothing in there.
What the fuck?
Yeah, this little. I
How
just saw
in
it
the
bounce,
world?
and You were like, bing, ding, ding. I don't know. I assume it came from your gun.
Yeah.
It could have popped.
Yo,
What is it?
it's a BB, plastic
It
BB.
is.
What?
Is it plastic or is it styrofoam?
It's plastic.
No, that's plastic.
Do you shoot
Yeah.
airsoft?
I do.
Put him on his bag.
I've been loading them in these.
We'll get you a reach.
What
Okay.
the heck? How in the world?
I don't know.
Hey,
All right, so while Jacob's
flag just got stuck in there. Which is
Yeah,
what caused
probably
it.
like
just
in here.
your
So
bag.
yeah, let him go take a look at it.
So go take a
follow
look,
me.
come back, I'll be right back.
You'll come back at the end and shoot.
No, I'll just stand by. Right
We
here.
need a pasty, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, he did it. Yeah, I don't remember what he did.
All right, so my new
You
one-
care to tell what's going on?
Well, it probably fell into the equipment and got rammed into the chamber with the cartridge. Probably.
That is so weird.
It is. But hey,
Leslie's in the hole.
what's that Murphy's Law?
Red's in the double.
That which can go wrong, provided enough time, eventually will go wrong.
Very good. I'm glad it didn't go through the chamber. Yeah, double check.
That's weird. Definitely not something I would have expected. That's weird.
Definitely gonna give this to you.
Yeah, that was really strange. I think. Well,